Hey guys, I'm in a rush, but I wanted to quickly pop on here to show you this new item that I got. I haven't been doing any unboxings, even though I have been still spending more than I should. I went to the Cartier store a couple of days ago because I needed to get my cord changed on my bracelet because the last two times that I've gotten it changed, it's actually broken. So I ran into Cartier and they told me that it was going to be 30 minutes to get the cord changed on my bracelet, which usually it doesn't take. They usually like take it right then and there and change it for you. But anyway, she was like, it's going to be 30 minutes. So why don't you, shop around the mall and then come back and pick it up. So I didn't want to spend any money, but I ended up going into Chanel because I kept seeing videos about the sale that they're having. So I went in just to see if there were any good items on sale. Of course, there weren't, but I ended up getting something anyway. So I wanted to show you real quick because I'm going to a luncheon in a couple minutes. I need to really be getting in the car right now. But I wanted to wear this item, and so I wanted to unbox it with you guys before I put it on. So it's a jewelry piece, which I told myself I wasn't buying any more designer jewelry because it's not real gold. I have always wanted a pair of Chanel earrings, so that is what this is. And I've been getting mad at myself because, like I said, I didn't plan on buying it, and I said I wouldn't buy things that aren't real gold. I'm only investing in real jewelry. Anyway, I couldn't resist because I have been wanting a pair of Chanel earrings so bad. So let's see. This is so cute. I'm sorry I'm talking so fast, but I am really rushing. And I thought it would be perfect with my outfit. I feel like it can dress up any outfit. I feel like you can wear it with anything. I'm a gold girly, so they are gold. I don't like wearing silver if it's real or fake gold, brass, whatever. But sorry, here's the box. Here's the packaging. And wait, these are the earrings, but they're not gold. I think you gave me the wrong ones. Shut up. These aren't gold. I picked gold earrings. These are not gold. Am I crazy? I have to take them back. I don't want these. Wait, am I crazy? Let me turn the light on. He gave me the wrong earrings, guys. These are not gold. They're still cute, but they don't go with the jewelry that I wear. I'm so mad. Well, there's an unboxing for you and I have to return them. I don't even. Anyway. All right, never mind. I don't even know if I'll upload this. What a waste of my time. Bye. Update. I put them in and I still think they're super cute, but and I can't tell. They're not gold compared to my actual gold jewelry. They're not gold, but I still feel like it looks cute with my outfit and it makes me look cute and classy. So I think I'm going to keep them. But that's thrown me for a loop. And I mix and match my jewelry. I mean, yeah, by mix and match, I mean the 3 different color golds. So, I mean, maybe it will blend or, not stand out. I think this is okay. I'm going to wear them and I think I'm going to keep them because it's actually an hour away and I don't feel like going back there. But actually, no, they're cute. Ugh. You guys let me know what you think. Should I keep them? Obviously, if I wear them, I'm going to keep them. But let me know what you think. All right, bye.